Dear students, in the last video it was on NC motion control system, where it was on different types of motion control system, that is the relation between tool and the workpiece or job. Briefly about the types what we had discussed in the previous video as point to point, straight cut, contouring, etc. with the graphical representation. This video contains about applications, machining and non-machining applications of NC, numerical control machines, and few advantages, disadvantages, and also introduction to CNC. Here you can see the first one, application, machining and non-machining. Machining, the one same applications which you are carrying out it on the lathe machine. Lathe machine ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ಗಳು, ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಟರಿ. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು, ಫರ್ದರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ. See one or two the applications, machining applications. I will read out: milling, drilling and its related processes, boring, turning, grinding, etc. So all these operations or processes can be carried out on the lathe also. So but these are carried out on the NC machine. And non-machining includes press work machine tool, inspection machines, welding and assembly machines, tube bending and flame cutting machine, laser and plasma cutting machines, automatic riveting machines, wire wrap machines. In its advantages and disadvantages, you can see here NC advantages: runs automatically, flexibility, greater flexibility, less machine time, idle time, reduce fixturing, higher accuracy. Total about 11 advantages and 8 disadvantages are there. So in this, for the examination point, this becomes as a one question only: advantages and disadvantages of NC system separately, and accordingly even this also is one separate question, maybe 4 marks or 5 marks. Applications, machining and non-machining. So sometimes advantage and disadvantage for each point, half marks may also be there, or 1 marks also. 1 advantages and 1 disadvantage, including 1 mark. So it depends on the question paper. Next, the CNC. If you include, instead of NC system, computer or a mini computer, if it is added with the NC, then that may be treated as a computer numerical control. So it is more or less microcomputers or microprocessor is utilized in this CNC as a control system, so that the CNC machines will be having high-speed processors, memories, improved servo motors, etc. Additional these features as compared to NC. In the NC, the limited programs can be written. Storage is also limited. Whereas in case of CNC, you can see here, it can store multiple programs, and editing facility is also there. If the program length is larger, then subroutines or canned cycles, fixed cycles, etc. can also be utilized, and it will permit, say, circular, helical, parabolic interpolations also, and accordingly, say, their sizes, compensations, cutter length and size compensation feature is also, it has communication interface, diagnostics, etc. So in one way, totally a completely developed of the NC system that you can call. A separate machine control unit which contains a computer and a panel board containing say the switches, buttons, etc. So where you can even write the programs also. There only you can edit it. That all facility the CNC machine it has.